Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to AirTech, your gateway to the latest and greatest in tech. We're diving deep into the world of technology, uncovering 7 game-changing gadgets that are revolutionizing how we live, work, and play. But before we jump into this tech extravaganza, make sure to subscribe to AirTech, hit the like button if you're excited, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a moment of tech innovation. Ryobi Backpack Blower. First up, we have the Ryobi Backpack Blower, a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts and homeowners. This powerful blower combines efficiency with eco-friendliness thanks to reduced emissions. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, making yard work a breeze for anyone. Aqara Cube. Now, let's explore the Aqara Cube, a smart home gadget that will change the way you interact with your living space. This small, versatile cube allows you to control your smart devices with simple gestures, making your home feel like something out of a sci-fi movie. Whether you want to adjust lighting, set the mood, or control your home entertainment system, the Aqara Cube has you covered. Hecate GX05 TWS. Wireless earbuds. Meet the Hecate GX05. True wireless earbuds, a cutting-edge audio companion. These earbuds offer a seamless connection with advanced Bluetooth tech, delivering top-notch sound quality with crisp highs and deep bass. They're designed for comfort during extended wear, perfect for music, gaming, and workouts. With touch controls, sweat resistance, and a portable charging case, they're versatile for all aspects of your daily life. Whether it's your commute or a workout session, these earbuds enhance your audio experience with style and convenience. Satechi TypeC Power Meter Tester. This compact device calculates and measures the power draw of compatible Type-C devices, including volts, amps, and mAh, ensuring optimal charging performance. With its user-friendly LED display, it's perfect for MacBook users and tech enthusiasts, offering a solution to charging woes. Say goodbye to device frustration and hello to precise charging with the Satechi Type-C Power Meter Tester. Boblov Body Cam. Next on our list is the Boblov Body Cam, a compact yet powerful gadget that's redefining personal security and capturing life's adventures. Whether you're a vlogger, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply want to document your experiences, this discreet body cam offers high-resolution recording, long battery life, and easy operation. It's your reliable companion for capturing life's most memorable moments. King Jim Camera Mouse. It's a unique computer accessory that combines the functionality of a mouse with a built-in high-resolution camera. This innovative device allows you to seamlessly capture images, text, and even 3D objects directly from your desk. It's a game changer for professionals, students, and anyone looking to digitize physical content efficiently. With user-friendly software, cross-platform compatibility, and ergonomic design, the King Jim Camera Mouse simplifies tasks that used to require multiple devices, making your workflow more streamlined and productive. Cyber Backpack. Enter the world of the Cyber Backpack, an innovative travel companion. This isn't your average bag. It's a tech enthusiast's dream. It offers multifunctional compartments, keeping your tech gear organized and secure while on the move. Beyond organization, the Cyber Backpack has a built-in power bank, ensuring your devices stay charged wherever you roam. No more searching for power outlets. Your backpack becomes a mobile charging station. Its ergonomic design guarantees comfort during extended wear, whether you're traveling or commuting. Plus, its robust construction ensures durability for your tech adventures. Say goodbye to tangled cords and drained devices with the Cyber Backpack. As we conclude our tech journey today, remember that the world of technology never stops evolving. If you found these gadgets as fascinating as we did, and you want to stay ahead of the curve, don't forget to subscribe to AirTech, hit that like button, and ring that notification bell. Your support keeps us going. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep living the tech life. Thanks for joining us at AirTech, where every tech discovery is an adventure. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and keep dreaming big.